Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning app. Let's have a look at Class 10, Science, Unit 22, Environmental Management. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Deforestation leads to dash in rainfall. Correct answer is decrease. Question 2. Removal of soil particles from the land is called dash. Correct answer is soil erosion. Question 3. Chipko movement is initiated against dash. Correct answer is deforestation. Question 4. Dash is a biosphere reserve in Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Nilgiris. Question 5. Tidal energy is dash type of energy. Correct answer is renewable. Question 6. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are called dash fuels. Correct answer is fossil. Question 7. Dash is the most commonly used fuel for the production of electricity. Correct answer is coal. True or false? Question 1. Biogas is a fossil fuel. Correct answer is false. Biogas is a mixture of methane, CO2, hydrogen sulfate and hydrogen. Correct statement. Biogas is a fossil fuel. Question 2. Planting trees increases the groundwater level. Correct answer is true. Correct statement. Question 3. Habitat destruction causes loss of wildlife. Correct answer is true. Correct statement. Question 4. Nuclear energy is a renewable energy. Correct answer is false. Nuclear energy is a non-renewable energy. Correct statement. Nuclear energy is a non-renewable energy. Question 5. Overgrazing prevents soil erosion. Correct answer is false. Overgrazing leads to soil erosion. Correct statement. Overgrazing leads to soil erosion. Question 6. Poaching of wild animals is a legal act. Correct answer is false. Poaching of wild animals is an illegal AC and it should be prohibited. Correct statement. Poaching of wild animals is an illegal AC and it should be prohibited. Question 7. National Park is a protected park. Correct answer is true. Correct statement. Question 8. Wildlife Protection Act was established in 1972. Correct answer is true. Correct statement. Match the following. Question 1. Soil erosion. Correct answer is removal of vegetation. Question 2. Biogas. Correct answer is CO2. Question 3. Natural gas. Correct answer is non-renewable energy. Question 4. Greenhouse gas. Correct answer is acid rain. Question 5. CFL bulbs. Correct answer is energy saving. Question 6. Wind. Correct answer is renewable energy. Question 7. Solid waste. Correct answer is lead and heavy metals. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Which of the following are a fossil fuel? I. Tar 2. Coal 3. Petroleum. Options are A. I only. B. Iron 2. C. 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is C. 2 and 3. Question 2. What are the steps will you adopt for better waste management? Options are A. Reduce the amount of waste formed. B. Reuse the waste. C. Recycle the waste. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 3. The gas released from vehicles exhaust are I. Carbon monoxide 2. Sulfur dioxide 3. Oxides of nitrogen. Options are A. Iron 2. B. Iron 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. Soil erosion can be prevented by. Options are A. Deforestation. B. Afforestation. C. Overgrowing. D. Removal of vegetation. Correct answer is B. Afforestation. Question 5. A renewable source of energy is. Options are A. Petroleum. B. Coal. C. Nuclear fuel. D. Trees. Correct answer is D. Trees. Question 6. Soil erosion is more where there is. Options are A. No rainfall. B. Low rainfall. C. Rainfall is high. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Rainfall is high. Question 7. An inexhaustible resources is. Options are A. Wind power. B. Soil fertility. C. Wildlife. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. Wind power. Question 8. Common energy source in villages. Options are A. Electricity. B. Coal. C. Biogas. D. Wood and animal dung. Correct answer is D. Wood and animal dung. Question 9. Greenhouse effect refers to. Options are A. Cooling of earth. B. Trapping of UV rays. C. Cultivation of plants. D. Warming of earth. Correct answer is D. Warming of earth. Question 10. A cheap, conventional, commercial and inexhaustible source of energy is. Options are A. Hydropower. B. Solar energy. C. Wind energy. D. Thermal energy. Correct answer is A. Hydropower. Question 11. Global warming will cause. Options are A. Rise in level of oceans. B. Melting of glaciers. C. Sinking of islands. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question 12. Which of the following statement is wrong with respect to wind energy? Options are A. Wind energy is a renewable energy. B. The blades of windmill are operated with the help of electric motor. C. Production of wind energy is pollution-free. D. Usage of wind energy can reduce the consumption of fossil fuels. Correct answer is B. The blades of windmill are operated with the help of electric motor. Assertion and reason. Assertion. Rainwater harvesting is to collect and store rainwater. Reason. Rainwater can be directed to recharge the underground water source. Correct answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Assertion. Energy-efficient bulbs like CFL must be used to save electric energy. Reason. CFL bulbs are costlier than ordinary bulbs. Hence using ordinary bulbs can save our money. Correct answer is C. Assertion is true but reason is false. Thanks for watching. For more solutions, quizzes and tests, visit our website or download our mobile app, the Learning.app.